welcome to today's episode of Focus Atlanta. I'm your host, Keisha Lancelin. Thank you so much for tuning in with us today. In our first segment, we're going to teach you a little bit about what you might want to look for in your cookware. I'm here with Cam Ryan. We're going to talk a little bit about Swiss Diamond. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
I'm glad to be here.
Now, I know that you're in town for the America's Mart. There's a big show going on, right?
Yes, we have the January gift show, which incorporates, of course, gourmet as well. Down at the Gift Mart. It's crazy today because of the football game tonight, but the show goes on through the, I think, the 17th.
Okay, great. And so this is where all of you all get together to show your product to the retailers so
Correct.
that they can come in and see what you have and see what's new.
Yep.
Okay.
Mainly what's new.
All right. But these products are actually available in our local Cook's Warehouse.
Yep.
So once you describe them and we fall in love, we do have a place to go and get
Yes.
them. Okay.
Mary has 3 stores, Cook's Warehouse. You can also find them online at cookswarehouse.com or metrokitchen.com.
Okay, very cool. Well, what's special about this particular cookware?
Well, Swiss Diamond is made in Switzerland, and we actually do use a diamond coating. Diamond being the best conductor of heat that we can find, and it's also extremely nonstick.
Okay.
So cleanup is a breeze, and you can actually go oilless or butterless with your cooking and not get any sticking properties. When I use mine at home, I just put it under some water once I'm done using it and throw it right back on the burner that's cooling, and it'll dry itself.
Wow. So as we're looking for these type of products, because, sometimes we see these things and we're like, well, I'm just a regular old cook. I'm no chef. Do I need all of this? But this, basically, it's the fact that it's easy to clean.
Very.
And the heat conduction is really, really great.
Yes. So it's cast aluminum, the diamond coating.
Okay.
So this is our XD product, our top of the line. All of our products work wonderfully. We have a stainless steel product. We have a regular cast product in our XD.
Okay. So is this new to the consumer or new to the retailers as well, or have they been using
Swiss Diamond isn't new, but the XD...
this line
is brand new. Came out last fall.
Okay. And again, as the consumer, when we're going in looking for these things, what other things should we be looking for? Because sometimes we just don't know. When something says that it's, I don't know, stainless steel, or when something says that it's, non-stick, what should we be paying attention to?
Well, different cookwares have different properties. Stainless steel is good for one thing. Cast iron, obviously, is good for another thing. Non-stick is easy cleanup. You can put our pieces into the oven up to 500 degrees, which is a nice. Our lids have a heat release, a steam release feature, which is great. You can put it in the dishwasher, although we don't recommend that you do, because it's such easy cleanup. You don't need to.
Why would you need to?
Right. Okay. And like I said, the different cookwares have different properties.
Right. Some
things are better for browning, some things are better for, but the nonstick part of this is what the best-selling feature is. It also is amazing even heat transfer because of the diamond.
Okay, so it doesn't matter if you're cooking on gas or electric, this kind of helps it to cook evenly.
Yes, and we do have induction offerings too.
Okay. Now, is there anything that would ruin our cookware if we're, investing in something like this?
The first thing I would say is don't put it in the dishwasher.
Okay.
You can if you don't want to use the dishwashing detergent, because then it's just hot water.
Okay.
But again, it's so easy to clean. You won't need to worry about it. Right. But dishwashing will ruin any cookware over time. That detergent is just too strong. Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Well, thank you for getting us educated about all of our cookware needs. Again, give us that website for Cook's, because this will be available in our local Cook's.
Super simple, cookswarehouse.com or metrokitchen.com. And you can stop in the stores.
Very cool.
They know what they're talking about at Cook's
Thanks
Warehouse.
so much, Cam, for coming on and setting us straight, letting us know what we should be looking for.
My pleasure.
Enjoy your time in Atlanta.
Thank you.
All right. It is Swiss Diamond, and again, it's all about the easy cleanup, right? Nobody wants to get home, cook a fabulous meal, and then have to, spend all this time in the kitchen cleaning up, right? So perhaps this is something that might work for you. Check it out on the Cook's Warehouse website, or just go into the store and let somebody tell you a little bit more about it. And stay tuned for more Focus Atlanta. We'll be right back.